Welcome to Easy Study 8 with Devananda S. So today we are going to learn about the third step of agricultural practices, which is adding manures and fertilizers. So what are manures and fertilizers? The substances added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants is called manures. Do we need to use manures or fertilizers when nutrients are there in soil? We don't need to add manures or fertilizers when nutrients are there in the soil itself, no? In certain areas, farmers grow crop after crop without leaving the field fallow, which means uncultivated. So, just imagine the level of nutrients, it will go down, down, down and down. That's why we need to add manures or fertilizers. So let's differentiate manure from fertilizer. What's manure? Manure is an organic substance. Fertilizer? Fertilizer is an inorganic substance. Manure is obtained by decomposition of animal waste and plant residue. Some of the examples of fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, NPK mixture, etc. Manure adds a lot of humus to the soil, whereas fertilizer do not add any humus to the soil. Is there any other advantages of manure than we discussed? Yes, it improves the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which the exchange of gases become easy. It increases the growth of friendly microbes and it improves the texture of soil. Is there any disadvantages for manure? No. Is there any advantages of fertilizer than we discussed? Yes, there is. Fertilizers give much better yield than manure. Is there any disadvantages for fertilizers? Yes, there is. Fertilizers are also chemicals and they may make the field less fertile, and they are now becoming an important source of water pollution. To better understand this, let us perform an activity. Let's take 3 cups and name them A, B, C, D and fill them with equal amounts of soil, and let's add manure to cup A, fertilizer to cup B and nothing to cup C. And let us turn soil in 3 cups. Now let us add some seeds and wait for 7 to 10 days and look at the result. You can see that cup B gets a better yield than cup A, in which we filled manure, and cup A gets a better yield than that of cup C, in which we filled nothing. Is there any other way to add nutrients to the soil or replenish it? Yes, there is. When I told you to leave the field fallow or uncultivated, which will replenish the nutrients. Other way is crop rotation. What's crop rotation? Growing different types of crops in the same field alternately. It is done by growing a legume plant in between 2 cereal crops. What's that special to legume plants? We have learnt about a bacterium rhizobium which lives in the nodules of legume plant, which fixes the atmospheric nitrogen to the form which the plants can absorb it very easily. This is an intelligent way to replenish nutrients in soil. Certain plants have been made for crop rotation like 4-year plan that you can see here. So our module 4 is over. Thank you.